A black girl in her braids be the best. When you see her with the fresh extensions, know that she is blessed. No stress from having to do her hair when she wake up, can just throw on some makeup and go. Or no, bare face and braids is a look too, honey. Have her feeling so free, even though that style probably set her back some money, but it's a sound investment. Cause a black girl in braids goes best with everything.
Hola, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair tutorial, guys. I love to have good hair on. I love to look good. This is what we have on today: butterfly braids. And I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process to achieving this beautiful look. As usual, I'll be giving you details as to the attachments that I use and what color. I love good hair. I love to look nice. And if you're just like me, you definitely want to see this video to the very end. So if you want to recreate, you can take to your hairstylist and you can, do the same thing. All right, let's get into the tutorial. So this is me taking out my hair, and after taking it out, they went on ahead to just relax the front of my hair because they needed it to look really neat when they cut out the pattern or whatnot. So yeah. I have an in-depth tutorial for knotless braids on my channel, so you can definitely check it out after this video. So to achieve the butterfly braids, if you watch closely, they are like pinching out some attachments or extensions out as they are braiding. So for the extensions that I used two big packs of color 1 and one small pack of color 39. So that's what gave me this beautiful look. So for the ending of the hair, I opted for the curly version rather than just braiding it straight down because I just wanted that curly, vibe. So yeah, she's just curling the ends of the hair. She definitely didn't braid it till the very end, as you can see. She left that end unbraided. She's brushing it out, and then she uses bendy rollers to curl it up. So they went ahead to use blow dryer to sort of get out extensions that would be sticking out. I'm used to scissors, to just snap it out, but this method also works. So here she brought the hot water so that she can dip in the braids to get the curls popping. Yeah, so that's what she's doing now. She's using the hand dryer to, dry off the water so that the curls can quickly take form and also not just sag. And now she's spraying some, spritz to hold the curls in place. Here she's using mousse so that the hair is looking luscious, nice. And here she's also laying me edges. You know, your edges always have to be snapped. Yeah, guys. I absolutely love the hairstyle. It's just vibes. It's just really pretty. It's just really nice.